Welcome back to InglishOn. Today, we're talking about family and friends, real conversations you actually have in daily life.
If you want to describe your family, talk about your best friend, or make small talk about relationships, this episode is for you.
We'll keep it simple, natural, and friendly.
By the end, you'll be able to introduce your family, describe personalities, explain traditions, and make plans with friends without freezing up.
Let's warm up with the basics.
Quick question, A. Do you have a big family or a small family?
Small, but loud. How about you?
Big family. Holidays get crazy, in the best way.
Vocabulary you'll hear a lot. Parents, siblings, spouse, partner, cousin, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, grandparents, in-laws.
And for relationships, best friend, close friend, coworker, neighbor, classmate, roommate, teammate, childhood friend.
For status, single, dating, engaged, married, divorced, widowed.
For kids, newborn, toddler, teenager.
For personality, easygoing, outgoing, shy, thoughtful, funny, stubborn, generous, patient, talkative, quiet.
Let's do a clean introduction model.
I come from a small family. I have one older sister and no brothers. My parents live in another city and we visit once a month.
Nice and simple. I'll do mine. I'm from a big family. I have 2 brothers and a younger sister. My grandparents live nearby, so we see them often.
Now a natural small talk starter.
Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, one older sister. We're close, most of the time.
What does she do?
She works in healthcare. Long hours, big heart.
That's a good line. Long hours, big heart.
Let's talk about describing people using looks and personality together.
My brother is tall and athletic. He's pretty outgoing and makes friends fast.
My cousin is short with curly hair. She's thoughtful and loves helping people.
Mix simple adjectives with a little story to sound human.
Speaking of stories, tell me about a childhood memory with your family.
Summer road trips. We'd pack the car, bring too many snacks, and sing badly for hours. Honestly, it was the best.
Badly, but with passion. I love it. For me, Sunday lunch at my grandma's. Big table, loud conversations, and dessert that always disappeared in 5 minutes.
Now, let's move to friends.
How did you meet your best friend?
At school, we sat next to each other and kept trading snacks. The friendship just happened.
I met mine at work. We were both new, both lost on day 1, and we survived together.
Here's a short model you can copy.
This is my best friend, Luis. We met in college, and we've stayed close ever since. He's easygoing, funny, and always shows up when you need help.
That always shows up line is powerful. It shows character, not just facts.
Let's practice polite questions about family without being intrusive.
Do you have any siblings?
Are you close with your family?
Do your parents live nearby?
Do you see your grandparents often?
If you want to go deeper, ask with care. What's your family like?
And if the person looks uncomfortable, change the subject gently. We can talk about something else, no worries.
Time for mini dialogues you can use anywhere.
Friendly small talk at a party.
Hey, nice to meet you. Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, an older sister. We look nothing alike. It's funny. How about you?
2 brothers. Family dinners are loud.
Same here. Holidays are chaos, in a good way.
Neighbor talk in the elevator.
Good morning. How's your family doing?
They're good, thanks. My parents are visiting this weekend.
That's nice. Do they live far?
Not too far, 2 hours by car.
Enjoy the visit.
Coffee shop moment with an old friend.
I haven't seen you in ages. How's your mom?
She's doing well, gardening every day.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. She sends me pictures of every single plant, every single one.
Moms and plants, universal love.
Now let's add weekend plans with friends, because that's real life.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm meeting my cousin on Saturday morning, then I'm going to a birthday dinner.
Nice. On Sunday, I'm visiting my parents and cooking with my dad.
That's great practice. Present continuous for fixed plans, going to for intentions.
Let's build a longer conversation about family traditions.
Do you have any family traditions?
We cook a big meal every first Sunday of the month. Everyone brings something.
What do you usually bring?
Dessert. And I always bring too much.
I approve. My family does game nights. We laugh a lot and nobody accepts defeat. Nobody.
Competitive but loving. The best combination.
Describe a family member with detail.
Tell me about your grandfather.
He's in his 70s, very sharp, and he tells the funniest stories from his travel days. He walks every morning and never misses his crossword.
That feels real because of the habits. Walks every morning, never misses his crossword.
Now you, tell me about an aunt or uncle.
My aunt is a teacher. She's patient, organized, and she knows exactly when you need advice or a snack.
Perfect mix of job, personality, and one small warm detail.
Let's practice talking about family changes. Moving, new jobs, babies, weddings.
My sister just moved to another city for work.
My cousin is getting married next spring.
My parents are retiring soon.
My friend just had a baby. I'm practicing holding the baby without panic.
Keep it simple and positive.
Now, a section many learners need. Sensitive topics politely.
If someone asks a question that's too personal, smile and say, "That's a long story, maybe another time."
Or, I'd rather not talk about that, but thanks for asking.
Respect goes a long way.
Let's switch to making plans with friends in a way that actually happens.
Vague. We should hang out sometime.
Real. Are you free Saturday morning? Coffee at 10.
Yes, let's do it. Green Bean Cafe at 10.
Locked.
Add a tiny promise to sound reliable. I'll grab a table.
I'll text you when I'm outside.
Declining politely when a friend invites you.
I'd love to, but I have family plans. Could we do next week instead?
That's perfect. You keep the door open.
Or, I wish I could, but I'm already booked. How about Sunday afternoon?
Nice and kind.
Last-minute changes with will.
I'm running 10 minutes late. I'll be there at 7:10.
No worries. I'll wait by the entrance.
Thanks. I'll bring dessert to make up for it. Deal?
Deal.
Quick pronunciation help for this topic.
Family. Not family. Think family.
Cousin. Not cosine, cousin.
Daughter. The GH is silent. Daughter.
Comfortable. Many natives say comfortable.
Neighbor. The GH is silent. Neighbor.
Laugh, laugh, and yes, we all need more of it. Haha.
Let's do a full role play, meeting a partner's family for the first time.
Hi, I'm Bella. Thank you for having me.
We're happy you're here. Make yourself at home.
Your family is so welcoming. How long have you lived in this house?
About 10 years. We like the neighborhood. Quiet but friendly.
It feels cozy. I love your family photos.
Thanks. We take a new photo every New Year.
That's a sweet tradition.
Are you hungry? We made too much food, like always.
I'm ready. Everything smells amazing.
Another role play, school event with parents.
Hello, I'm Alex. I'm Mark's father.
Nice to meet you. I'm Sophia's mother.
Are your parents here too? My parents are out of town, but my sister came to help.
That's kind.
Family teamwork. It saves lives. Haha.
Now talk about friendship styles.
I have a small circle, 2 or 3 very close friends.
I'm more social. Many friends, different groups, different hobbies.
Both are fine. The point is quality time.
How to check on a friend after a long time.
Hey, it's been a while. How's your family?
We're doing okay. Busy, but good. How about you?
Same here. Want to catch up this weekend?
I'm free Sunday afternoon.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Let's share reasons people become friends.
Shared interests, same class, same office, same neighborhood, same gym.
Or the classic, you laugh at the same bad jokes.
The strongest glue.
Describe a best friend with a tiny story.
My best friend is patient and honest. When I'm stressed, he listens first, then gives one clear suggestion.
That's friendship. My best friend remembers my big days without reminders. Birthdays, interviews, first day at a new job.
Small actions, big meaning.
Now talk about helping family and friends.
I help my parents with tech stuff.
I help my cousin with English homework.
My friends help me move apartments. I pay them with pizza.
Classic payment plan. Effective every time. Haha.
Holidays and family schedules.
We travel to see my grandparents every December.
My family rotates houses. 1 year here, next year there.
We cook together and watch old movies.
We play board games and everyone cheats, apparently.
The memories are the point.
How to talk about family worries without drama.
My dad's been a little tired lately, so I'm checking on him more.
My sister is stressed at work. I call her every few days.
Short, respectful, caring.
Making a new friend as an adult.
It's not easy. Everyone is busy.
True, but it starts small. Say hi, ask a simple question, invite for a quick coffee.
Keep it light. If it feels good, repeat.
Friendship equals repeated small moments. That's it.
Let's add weekend plan phrases you'll actually say.
Are you free Saturday morning?
I might be. What do you have in mind?
Brunch at 11.
Sounds good.
Perfect. I'll book a table.
Group chat language.
Family dinner on Sunday at 6. Who can make it?
I'm in. I'll bring salad.
I'm in. I'll bring dessert.
I'm late. Save me a seat.
We got you.
Short apologies that keep the peace.
Sorry for the late reply. Family day.
All good. Hope it was nice.
It was. Thanks.
Compliments that feel real.
Your parents are lovely.
Your grandmother has amazing energy.
Your kids are so polite.
Your brother is hilarious, in a good way.
Now a bigger conversation that mixes family and friends.
How do you balance family time and friend time?
I plan family time first, then I add 2 friend dates a month. Simple rule. It works.
I do weekly calls with my parents and a video chat with my cousin.
And I meet a friend for a walk after work. Short but powerful.
Let's create your personal introduction.
I come from a big family. I have 2 brothers and a younger sister. We see each other every weekend, and we cook together. My best friend is Maya. We met in college, and we still talk almost every day.
Your turn. I come from, I have, we usually, my best friend is, we met, we still.
Common mistakes and quick fixes.
People is, no, people are.
I have 25 years. No, I'm 25.
She don't, no, she doesn't.
My brother have. No, my brother has.
I very like, no, I really like, or I'm really into.
Keep it clean and you'll sound natural.
Let's build 3 mini stories you can copy.
Mini story 1, meeting a friend's family.
I visited my friend's family last weekend. They were warm and funny. We cooked together and told stories. I felt welcome immediately.
Mini story 2, family support.
My sister helped me move to a new apartment. We were tired, but we laughed a lot and ordered pizza at the end.
Mini story 3, reconnecting.
I called my cousin after years without talking. We talked for an hour and promised to meet next month. It felt good. Now, a long role play that touches everything: meeting, describing, planning, small changes.
Nice to meet you. I'm Bella.
I'm Alex. Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, 2 brothers. We're pretty close. How about you?
One older sister. We live in different cities, but we call every week.
That's sweet. Are your parents nearby?
They're about 2 hours away. We visit once a month.
By the way, are you free this weekend?
Maybe Sunday afternoon. What do you have in mind?
Coffee at 3? There's a new place on Oak Street.
Sounds good. I'll be there at 3.
Great. I'll grab a table.
Day of the plan. I'm running 5 minutes late.
No worries. I'll wait by the entrance.
Thanks. After coffee, want to walk in the park?
Sure. I love that park.
Perfect. See you soon.
See you. That flow is everything. Friendly questions, short stories, simple plans, tiny promises.
And a little laugh when you need it. Always helps. Before we close, quick, rapid-fire phrases you can steal.
Do you have a big family?
Are you close with your parents?
How did you 2 meet?
We've known each other since school.
We met at work.
We became friends fast.
My family gets together every month.
I visit my grandparents on Sundays.
I'm meeting my cousin this weekend.
I'm going to call my mom tonight.
I'd love to join, but I have family plans.
Can we do another day?
I'll text you when I'm outside.
Rain check?
Let's lock it in.
Final recap.
Introduce your family with simple facts and one warm detail.
Describe friends with personality plus a tiny story.
Ask polite questions and change the subject if needed.
Make real plans with when, where, who, how.
Use present continuous for fixed plans, going to for intentions, will for promises and quick decisions.
Decline kindly and offer an alternative.
Keep it short, kind, and clear, and enjoy the people you love. Haha.
Thanks for spending this time with us.
Practice a short introduction about your family and one about your best friend.
Say them out loud, then send them to a friend.
See you in the next session.
Keep your English on.